Quinn, I'm gonna get wet.
I'm gonna get wet too, though.
I think I'm gonna be perfectly dry.
No, you're not. You just jinxed yourself.
Good thing it's waterproof, this camera, so. Uh-oh. Oh, well. Oh.
You got lucky.
You got lucky. Oh! It faked us out. Faked us out. That never happens. Oh, kids. Oh, kids.
For a minute there, I thought we were going to make it dry. Uh-oh. Here we go again. I don't think the heavier stuff's going to come down for a while yet. Did you get wet enough there, hon?